like this. Like, you see that there? I don't know if you caught that. Do a little instant replay for you, or redo. That's how they be getting it. So that's the problem, and I present to you the solution, all right? You interested in that? Watch the rest of this video. I'm gonna show you how to just make a quick little stand, quick, fast, and easy. Like all my videos, you already know how that go. Don't waste no time. Efficiency, little time in this day. Every single week, every single year, we running out of time. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make a little stand. You could do a lot of different things with this, like, let me go grab that actually. Got my jumbo size joker right here. Got my custom made stand, but here's the little difference. I went ahead and painted the acrylic piece, and I also added white sauce cereal in there. Enough of my rambling. You could also skip me, by the way, if you be like, why does this guy talk so much? Just skip me. Put me in ×2, whatever you wanna do. Don't watch the video, exit. But if you're still here, like, subscribe. You know how that go. All right, let's get into it. All right, we got our acrylic circle and we got our adhesive. Just gonna go ahead and put just a little bit on the feet. Don't gotta put too much. Little goes a long way. After that's done, just gotta sit it right on there, centered out wherever you want it. Hold for a little second, and that's it. Some tape if you wanna reassure it stays. And now, just a little spicy B-roll to see how it came out. There it is. That's how she goes. Hope you guys liked that video. Hope it was fast enough for you, cheap enough, easy enough, all of the above. Gotta help out the fellow pop collectors, you know? Serious business. All right, that's all I got for you, okay? I'ma see you. Don't miss me. I'm out.